India is a vast country full of cultural, historical, and natural wonders, making it one of the most popular travel destinations in the world. From the majestic Taj Mahal to the bustling streets of Delhi, the serene backwaters of Kerala, and the golden sands of Rajasthan, India offers something for every kind of traveler. In response to the growing number of international visitors, the Indian government has streamlined the visa process by introducing the India Tourist e-visa. The e-visa allows tourists from various countries to apply online, bypassing traditional visa application procedures and offering an easy and efficient way to enter the country for tourism purposes. This ultimate guide to the India Tourist e-visa will walk you through everything you need to know: what it is, how it works, why you need it, how to apply, and the many benefits it offers to travelers. Whether you're planning your first trip to India or returning to explore more, understanding the e-visa process is crucial. Subscribe for more adventures. What is the India Tourist e-visa? The India Tourist e-visa is an electronic travel authorization granted to foreign nationals who wish to visit India for tourism purposes. It allows you to travel to India without the need for a physical visa issued by an Indian embassy or consulate. Instead, you apply online through the official government portal, and once approved, the e-visa is sent directly to your email. The tourist e-visa permits entry to India for short-term stays, typically for up to 60 days, and is ideal for tourists who want to visit India for sightseeing, leisure, family visits, or short-term courses. The e-visa is available for multiple entries depending on the type, which allows for flexibility in planning your trip. How does the India Tourist e-visa work? The India Tourist e-visa works much like other electronic visas, but specifically caters to travelers visiting India for tourism purposes. Here's a breakdown of how the process works. Choosing the right e-visa category. There are various types of e-visas available for different purposes. The main categories include tourist e-visa for sightseeing, visiting friends and family, or leisure activities. Business e-visa for those traveling to India for business meetings, conferences, or meetings related to professional engagements. Medical e-visa for those seeking medical treatment in India. If you're visiting India for tourism, you'll need to apply for the tourist e-visa. Once you've selected the appropriate e-visa category, the next step is to complete the online application form. The form will ask for personal details such as full name, nationality, and date of birth, passport information like passport number, issuance country, and expiration date, your planned date of arrival in India, your purpose of visit, whether it's for tourism, sightseeing, etc., and your contact details, including your address in India. Make sure the information you provide is accurate, as any discrepancies may delay your visa approval. For your e-visa application, you will need to upload several documents to support your application. A clear scanned copy of your passport. Ensure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended arrival date. A recent passport-sized photograph. The photograph should meet the required specifications, like a white background and clear quality, and proof of travel. Some applicants may be required to provide a copy of their flight itinerary or return ticket to prove their travel plans. The requirements for uploading documents may vary based on your nationality, so it's important to carefully read the instructions. After filling out the application form and uploading the necessary documents, you'll be prompted to pay the e-visa processing fee. The payment is made online through a secure payment gateway, and you can use a debit or credit card for this. The fee for the India Tourist e-visa generally ranges between $10 and $80, depending on your nationality and the type of e-visa. The cost is relatively affordable compared to traditional visa applications, making it a budget-friendly option for travelers. After the application and payment are successfully submitted, your e-visa will be processed by Indian immigration authorities. The processing time is generally 3 to 5 business days, but it may take longer depending on factors like your nationality, the volume of applications, or if additional verification is required. You can track the status of your application online using the reference number provided during the application process. Once approved, you'll receive your India Tourist e-visa via email. The e-visa will be sent as a PDF document. It's important to print out a copy of your e-visa to carry with you while traveling. Additionally, keep an electronic copy on your phone or device in case you need it during your travels. When you arrive in India, proceed to the immigration counter and present both your passport and tourist e-visa. The immigration officer will verify your documents, and if everything is in order, you will be granted entry into India. It's essential that the details on your e-visa match those in your passport. Any errors could cause delays or complications at the border. The India Tourist E-Visa offers several advantages that make it a crucial document for travelers planning a trip to India. Below are the main reasons why you need this visa. First, the e-visa process is entirely digital, meaning you don't need to visit an embassy or consulate. This saves you time, effort, and unnecessary paperwork. The online system is user-friendly, and the instructions provided guide you through each step of the application. Second, unlike traditional visa applications that can take weeks to process, the India Tourist E-Visa can be processed in 3 to 5 business days. This rapid processing time makes it an excellent choice for tourists with limited time or those planning last-minute trips. Third, by applying for an e-visa, you eliminate the need to wait in long lines at consulates or embassies. You can complete your entire application process from the comfort of your home or office, making it more convenient than ever to prepare for your trip to India. Fourth, the tourist e-visa allows for multiple entries in certain cases, which is ideal for tourists who wish to visit India more than once during the visa's validity period. This flexibility enables you to explore the country at your own pace, and you don't need to apply for a new visa every time you enter India. Fifth, the India Tourist E-Visa is available to citizens of over 150 countries. Whether you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, or countries within Europe, Asia, or the Middle East, you're likely eligible for the e-visa program. Sixth, the fee for the tourist e-visa is significantly lower than the cost of applying for a traditional visa. This makes it an affordable choice for tourists, helping them save money that can be used for other aspects of their trip. Lastly, the tourist e-visa is valid for 60 days from the date of entry, which is perfect for short-term travel. If you're planning to explore India over a couple of weeks, the e-visa allows you to do so without the hassle of lengthy bureaucratic processes. In addition to the convenience and ease of application, the India Tourist E-Visa offers numerous benefits. First, unlike traditional visas that require you to visit an embassy for a physical visa stamp, the India Tourist E-Visa is issued electronically. This eliminates the need for in-person visits, making it easier and faster to get approval. Second, in some cases, the tourist e-visa can be extended for an additional period, depending on your circumstances and eligibility. While extensions are not guaranteed, the ability to extend your stay if needed adds an extra layer of flexibility to your trip. Third, as mentioned earlier, the India Tourist e-visa is typically processed in 3 to 5 business days. For most travelers, this quick turnaround time is ideal for planning their trips without worrying about long waiting periods. Fourth, for certain countries, the India Tourist e-visa allows multiple entries within its validity period. This means you can explore different parts of India and even visit neighboring countries before re-entering India, without the need for a new visa each time. Lastly, the e-visa system has made it much easier for tourists to visit India. As a result, tourism has flourished, and travelers are encouraged to explore India's diverse regions, culture, and heritage. Applying for an India Tourist e-visa is simple and straightforward. Follow these steps. First, visit the official India e-visa portal. Go to the official website for India's e-visa application, https://indianvisaonline.gov.in/e-visa/. Next, complete the application form. Fill out the online form with all the required information, then upload documents. Submit the necessary documents such as a passport scan, photo, and travel details. After that, pay the visa fee. Pay the processing fee using your debit or credit card. Now wait for approval. Wait for your e-visa to be processed, which typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Finally, download and print the e-visa. Once approved, download your e-visa and print a copy for your travel. And, of course, arrive in India. Present your e-visa and passport at the immigration checkpoint upon arrival. The India Tourist e-visa is an excellent solution for travelers who wish to explore this incredible country. With its simple, fast, and affordable application process, the e-visa opens doors to a world of cultural, historical, and natural experiences. Whether you're embarking on a solo adventure, family vacation, or cultural exploration, the India Tourist e-visa offers you a seamless way to visit India. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels!